today let's start with chapter number 2, computer and its parts. In this chapter, I will tell you about what is computer and its different parts. Let's start with the CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. And lastly, what are the helping parts of computer? These are the different parts of computer. Basically, we have four main parts like monitor, CPU, keyboard and your mouse. Now, label the part of bicycle. You have to label that part of bicycle. Here, help box is also given. You can, what is this? This is handle. This is your seat. Wheel. This is paddle. And this is your, what it is? It is your chain. Right? Now, the bicycle is made up of many small parts, and in this same way, computer are also have many small parts. Computer has four main parts, that is your CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. And all parts of the computer, they work together. Now let us learn about this main part. First is system unit, which is called CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is also known as brain of computer. Right? इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Brain of computer. It controls all some other parts of the computer. It is placed inside the CPU cabinet. जो CPU का cabinet होता है, उसके अंदर हमारा system unit present होता है. Then we have monitor. What is monitor? It is a screen that looks like a television. It shows what you do on the computer. You can watch cartoons, movies, videos and photos on the monitor. When you make a drawing on a computer, जब भी आप drawing बना रहे हो तो आपको कहाँ पे रखिए? Monitor screen पे. Then we have keyboard. It's an input device that has many keys, many buttons on it, which is known as key. We have alphabetic key, number key and some special key. Now, can you change a channel while watching a television program? You can use remote. In same way, you press small buttons on the keyboard. One, you have to tell computer what to do. And the small buttons, they are called, what are they known as keys? You can use them to type words, sentences, poems and songs. In words का हम use, in keys का हम use करके words लिख सकते हैं, numbers लिख सकते हैं, poems लिख सकते हैं. Like fact, LED or LCD, what are these? These are the different types of monitor screen that are present in the market. Now write the names of your favorite food on the space given below and then color the key. आपको उन keys को क्या करना है? Color करना है, right? Then we have mouse. Mouse, it looks like a real mouse. Real mouse का लगता है. It has long wire attached to the CPU. इसके पास ये long wire होती है जो आपकी किससे अटैच होती है? CPU. ठीक है, आप इसको CPU में अटैच करते हैं और माउस हैज टू बटन्स एंड अ स्क्रॉल व्हील. दो बटन होते हैं और एक स्क्रॉल व्हील होती है, राइट क्लिक लेफ्ट क्लिक, और विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्क्रॉल व्हील जो आपके सेंटर में प्रेजेंट होती है, आप पेजेस को अप और डाउन कर सकते हैं. देन एरो मूव्स द मॉनिटर. Whenever you have moved the mouse, this arrow is called mouse pointer. क्योंकि माउस पॉइंटर होता है, जिधर भी आप जैसे माउस को घुमाइए वो क्या करेगा? मूव करेगा. You use a mouse to select and point the things on the monitor. It also helps to draw pictures. With the help of this mouse, what you do? You draw pictures also. Now join the dots to draw a mouse and color it too. आप इनको इन dots को join करना है और mouse को draw. Now helping parts of the computer. We have different helping parts of the computer. Like there are many parts. Now we have helping parts of the computer. Every part of our body helps us to do different tasks. And in same way, every part of the computer helps it to perform certain tasks. Other than the four main parts, there are different parts of a computer that help to perform different tasks. जिससे हम क्या करते हैं? different tasks को perform करते हैं. Now all of this part form a computer system and these parts are called devices. In parts को क्या कहा जाता है? Devices कहते हैं. Like we have monitor, we have speaker, printer, mouse, keyboard, UPS and CPU cap. Now we have printer. What it's do? It prints on paper what we see on the monitor. This is called printout and we can print photos and text and we can print color, black and white and printouts with the print. Then we have speaker. It helps us to listen to sound. जो भी कंप्यूटर लाइक आप कोई म्यूजिक प्ले कर रहे हैं, कार्टून्स के देखते हैं, वीडियोस देख रहे हैं, तो ये क्या है? ये डिफरेंट थिंग्स हैं दैट यू कैन डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्पीकर. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? म्यूजिक सुन सकते हैं, मूवीज देख सकते हैं, है, कोई आपने वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करी, आप उसको देख सकते। नाउ यूपीए दैट इज अनइंटरप्टेड पावर सप्लाई। ये क्या होता है? यूपीएस होता है एंड व्हेन देयर इज नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, जब कोई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं होती, ये कंप्यूटर को थोड़ा टाइम तक क्या रखता है? ऑन। Now, these were the different parts of computer and some other parts that linked with these parts. Now, hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.